everybody, and today we're going to be doing a DIY candy jar. So, yeah, make sure you stick around for part 2. This is going to be part 1, so let's get into it. So, what you're going to be needing for this DIY is a jar, obviously. You're going to be needing some paintbrushes, and last of all, some paints. Okay, this is a very easy DIY. You only need this stuff. And yeah, and I suggest you put down, I have paper towel. You can use wax paper, you can use newspaper, anything. Because this might get a little bit messy with the paints, you know. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to paint. Okay, basically painting is the only thing I'm going to do in this video. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be painting on the blue stripes first. And also, you guys, you can do whatever design you want. I'm just doing blue and pink stripes to be a little bit simple. And also, in part 2, I'm going to be putting gummy bears inside the jar later in part 2. So, stick around. Whoa, no. I put way too much paint on my brush. So you can just wipe it, I guess. Okay. Yeah. I should have thought about this before. I need to take off the jar lid for this. And set the jar up like this. What was I thinking before? Oh my god. Okay. So I'm going to be doing my first coat. What do you mean? I don't know what I mean by first coat. Because the first coat is going to be my only coat. Because I'm not patient enough to wait for the second coat to dry. By the way, the bottom, I'm not painting the bottom. Like, you guys don't have to do all these things just for a jar DIY. I don't know why, but I've been so excited for this video for a long time. Gets a big layer of paint right there. So that's the first layer. I need to cover up any spots that does not look even. I need to cover them with paint. Okay, so that's first layer. By the way, you can use tissues if you want. I don't want to get the brushes dirty. I don't want to stain my brushes, my orange brushes. Actually, if it's not mine, since they're not my brushes, that's why I don't want to do this. Okay, no more talking. We're just going to quickly paint this. Dripping. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. If it doesn't really need to be perfect. So I'm not going to make it perfect. Because that'll take too long to make it perfect. Way too long to make it perfect. Totally perfect. Like, this is just a fun DIY. Like, look at the back, it's crooked. I'm only going to be doing the 3 blue stripes. I'm only going to do 3 blue stripes. Okay, this is turning out horrible. But it doesn't matter, it's a fun DIY. I can't lift it up anymore. Oh no, how is this going to work? Spin. I can spin it. Yay, okay, those are my 3 blue stripes. I gotta use a tissue to wipe paint off. Please don't stain my brother's paintbrush. Speaking of my brother, go check my video where I tried pranking my brother. That was actually a while ago. So, you guys probably watched it. If If you watch all my videos, you probably watched it already, but if you haven't, it's pretty fun. I didn't actually prank him. It was kind of a fail what I supposed to do, and it was really fun. So please check it out. I'm going to turn it into a Smurf, as you see. And yeah. Wow, this video is getting long, so I better hurry up here. I'm a Smurf. I'm just the Smurf in the Smurf village. If you want my number, I'm not telling you. I'm painting it. Oh no, I accidentally put blue on the brush. It's so pretty when you mix the pink and the blue. This might turn into a long video, just saying now. And it's just me painting, so sorry. So sorry for that. It's gonna take a while to post. I promise you part 2 will be more exciting than this. It's just me painting a jar that's gonna be full of gummy bears soon. This shouldn't take very long, but it does just because I'm not a professional painter. Actually, professional painters take their time, so yay. I'm a professional painter, everybody. What's pretty? There's blue all over my brush, so that's why the paint is like purple. I want to be pink. I didn't ask for blue. I want pink. Pink all around. No. The blue is attacking everybody. Okay, I'm basically done that pink stripe, but it's not pink. It's blue. Why? Okay, I got a second tissue to wipe off this pink brush so I can do a new coat of pink later. JK. Well, I only have like 2 minutes to do this, so this is called rushing. JK, it's not rushing. Rushing is just messiness. And why would I be messy? It's very pretty, very nice. So one part doesn't just take forever to dry. I'm taking out a lot of paint and I'm spreading it out evenly. This is a really long video, I'm sorry. It's just me painting. Whoa, it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm basically done right now. This is a long video. Okay, so all I have to say is make sure you check out my part 2 video. It's gonna be uploaded soon. By the way, look how pretty the jar is looking. Okay, so make sure you like and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you like fun, and if you like DIYs. Yes. Bye. Bye.